his box. Voice command and 100 tricks and over 200 sounds. Wow. Untamed fun, it says. Okay. Okay, after a little play, he just stopped working, the little monkey. So we are going to charge him up. What I had to do, he only comes with like a little computer, USB-B port, I think it is, what's it called? Anyways, here it is. I'm charging him right now. In his back, he has to be on the off mode. And so now he's being charged, and they said you can tell if he's being charged if his eyes light up. Okay, here is Zoomer. Let's see what he'll do. Press the back button. Zoomer, sit. Oh. I think this is going bananas. Yeah, he's dancing. Kind of cute, yeah. Zoomer, sit. See how his eyes go purple? That's the command. And he sat for me. How cute is that? I don't know what that means yet. Zoomer, dance. He's doing a trick. Okay. Maybe I'm not doing it right. Zoomer, dance. Dance, Zoomer. Oh, here comes the music. Now he's dancing. Oh, here we go. All right. He works good on this low nap. The book is very well written, understandably, and then you've got this little cheat card that you can use with him also. He's just over here playing. Come here, Zoomer. There you go. Sit, Zoomer. Oh, what a good monkey. Why is he blinking like that? You want to see him go on guard? On guard. Guard me. That's when he gets something gets too close to his eyes go red. It scares you off. All right, let me see. It has two languages, French and English. So you'll get two cards. This one is in English. And these are all his commands. And it'll tell you what the colors of the eyes mean too. Let's see if we can get him to do a trick. So hit the top of the head for the commands. Zoomer. Uh-oh. Zoomer. Okay, what I did is I found some doll clothes for Zoomer. Sort of make him a little bit more cuter. He is a very sturdy toy though, that I have to say. It's going to take a lot to break this guy down. Anyways, let's see what he does now. Press the button on the back. And there he is. Hi, Zoomer. Let's see what we can get him to do now. Let's see what chimp talk is about. Chimp talk. Chimp talk. How are you today? Would you like to play? Are you hungry for a banana? So he repeats what I said. That's chimp talk. Okay. Let's do, how are you? He's cheeky today. Too cute. Let's see if we can get him to stand up. Stand up. And there he goes. Do you think he's cuter with a little shirt on? You can comment below. He smells things too. He's curious mode. Let's bring him back. He wants to go out and explore. Let's see if we can get him to do something. What is this? Okay, Zoomer. He's doing something. Okay. Go bananas. Go bananas. Where's he going? He'll follow you. Put your hand in front of him. That's what he's waiting for. See, he's following. Okay. I guess that's how you shut him off. Okay. Let's dance. More like a rap. Okay. Not sure what he's doing here. All right, he's ready for another mode. Let's dance. What is this? That's not let's dance. Okay, Zoomer. Is he getting curious? Yep, he's getting curious. He wants to go off and find something. Too bad you couldn't call him back and he'd come back. But you gotta press that little button on his head. Zoomer. This is going bananas. And he's done. Okay, well, thanks for being with me while I explore this little monkey. I think he's really cute. And it would be cute if the company came out with little different kinds of t-shirts for him. That would be cute too. But anyways, I fully recommend it. It's a great toy and a lot of fun. I think the families and the kids could have lots of fun with them, even the adults. So go out and find your Zoomer today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.